Hello everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I'm Kala Ponnuri. In today's video, we are going to make very interesting decor which you can make for your kids and family. In fact, this will be a very fun summer project and you can involve your kids too. So before going ahead, let's see the materials required. So we are going to make our own picture frames. So first get the pictures printed of your choice and stick them on a wooden piece. After applying glue on back side of the picture, spread it with your fingers to avoid the lumps of glue. Make sure to apply glue till the edges of the picture. Now turn the picture to the right side and then you stick it on the wooden piece. This wooden piece I bought it in a local craft market. You can buy it online. You get these pieces ready. To avoid stains on the picture, you can use a rag to stick the picture well. To make it more interesting, we can make some designs on the plain part of the picture using 3D outliner. You can simply make some random designs which you will be able to make. So in the next picture, after getting it printed, I saw this TV in the background which is not looking good, so I made some designs on that too. So here also I made simple overlapping lines. If you don't have these MDF pieces, you can always use these cardboard pieces which come in packaging. After cutting the required size of cardboard, cover the edges with using masking tape to give neat finishing. Trim off the extra tape as you are seeing in the video. To make the kids' frames, we will use some colors, right? Make marking of the picture on the cardboard. Now we will paint the background using acrylic color. So if you don't want to use any paints, another option is sticking a color paper on cardboard. Here I cut the cardboard in rectangular shape to make the design on left part of the picture. Here you can ask your kids' interest and make designs accordingly. You can even stick their favorite cartoon pictures or mirrors or some beads, whatever they like. So if you don't have any cardboard or MDF board, then another option is old CD. Make small inner circle on CD and cut the picture of that size. You can use a bottle cap or whatever available to make the inner circle. Made outlines using 3D outliner and filled the rim using camel glass colors. Camel glass colors are solvent based. They are more glossy compared to water based glass colors. So I am using these colors to fill the balloons and the flowers. I cannot complete the frames without adding some glitter. If you don't want to make designs, you can sprinkle some sequins for the glitter on the glass paint when it is little wet. You can add more colors or you can add more glitter, whatever you want, and finish making all the frames. Now what are these caps for? Wait and watch. So these are the knickknacks to add to the frames. We'll make similar designs on these caps matching the respective frame. To get glossy effect, we will fill the empty spaces on caps with glass colors. Not necessary you have to use solvent based glass colors, you can always use water based glass colors too. I am making similar designs on all three caps. After making the designs, don't you think writing the respective names on the caps will make the kids very happy? Now the family frames also need some knickknacks, right? For that we are using these bottles. Add little POP in acrylic color and paint the bottles. After painting the bottle, make similar designs which we made on the picture frame. Making a similar design on the bottle gives a complete different look to the decor. We will cover the top part of the bottle by sticking jute rope. This is a flexible magnetic sheet. You can buy this in any local craft shop or online. For that I am giving the link in description box. Though it is mentioned that the sheet is self-adhesive, I felt the glue is not enough to stick on the frames. So we will cut the sheet into required strips and stick using glue gun. As the cardboard is lightweight, you need only 2 strips. If you are using hardboard, then you can stick 3 strips. Stick a small quantity of M-seal in the center to fill the depth of the caps. Do the same with all the caps. Here we will stick circular magnets on the M-seal using glue gun. As we are going to use these bottles as planters, we need to stick 2 magnets to bear the weight of water. Add required amount of water in bottle and add water grown plants. You can always simply place a picture frame, but adding some designs on the picture and placing a planter next to it makes it more beautiful, I feel. Especially when you make coordinated designs, it looks custom made. This is how you can display kids' frames by placing the name caps next to the picture. I thank all 3 models, in fact beautiful models of today's video, who are my grannies. If you are going to display more than one picture, then you can go for a smaller picture. You can easily make these magnet picture frames and gift it to other kids to make their day. This is what Art Around House is all about. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified about my latest videos. See you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Thank you.